I recently made a video about Tribe Africa explaining everything about it, their concept and everything. I also made you aware of how you could get yourself registered through me personally, and some people are still insisting I should get them the step-by-step process of which they can register themselves. Now trust me, you can register by yourself although, but you need to promise me one thing, and I'll tell you at the end of the video. My name is Elijah Bento. Then let's tune in as I'm going to give you the step-by-step process to register yourself in a course with Tribe Africa. So let's begin. First off, you visit their website on the internet. So you access the web browser you have on your machine, which can be Safari, Google Chrome, Phoenix browser, Samsung Connect, Microsoft Edge. There are a lot. So even Opera Mini use those using PC. So first of all, you visit the website Tribe Africa. I'm doing a screen recording. Let me do a screen recording so that we can project this. We can project this. I'm coming. Let me check. Screen recording. So you visit the website. Now I'm waiting for it to load. So now when you come to the website, they have start your journey today and a lot of things. They have courses available for senior high school students, and I'm not here to speak about senior high school students. They have courses available for beginners. They have courses available for professionals, for intermediate, courses that you could study to go abroad, or courses that you could study abroad here. They have try for university students, so courses for university students. So in my recent video, I base mainly for university students, but I'll also make another video for SHS students as well, or maybe I'll add it to this one. So now let's begin with the university students. This is what we'll do. Now it says enroll in a 3-month free program designed to help undergraduate students gain foundational, high-paying, in-demand digital skills that lead to internship, freelance work, and highly paying career path. Please, sorry if you hear any other background aside what I'm doing. If you hear any other background noise aside what I'm doing now, I'm not in my studio. I'm in my hostel recording, so there might be other voices coming from outside. Now, when you open the website, this is what you see. May 2026 Essentials Cohort is open. Hooray! Explore exciting new high-paying in-demand courses. AI for everyone, generative AI, and advanced prompt engineering, cloud computing essentials, cybersecurity essentials, data science and analytics essentials, machine learning and AI essentials, and more. So you just tap on start learning, then you go for the type course you want. So like I said in my other video, I prefer, well, you have social media marketing. Yeah, so personally I would like to go for cloud computing. So this is it. Now look at what it says. Cloud computing course AWS certified, is beginner friendly, job placement support, certificate from a public university, virtual class, 5 months with an internship, and the language is English. They've trained 70,000 plus students, and they have the terms and conditions here. So okay, I'll show it in the screen. So you can see we have a special promo of which instead of me paying 250 cedis, I'll pay 200 cedis. So that is when you register for yourself, and if you don't, that's what I was saying. It's better you allow me to register for you, but some people still wanted to register. So these are the informations required for you to register. You enter your full name, your email, phone number, WhatsApp number, your country, your school you are in, how you heard about them. So please, now this is the confirmation. If you want things to be easier for you, when you get to how did you hear about us, choose campus ambassador, then you enter campus ambassador's name. My name is Elijah Bento. Then you input my number here. This is my number. Then you proceed. I think you agree. Then you proceed. After proceeding, you select whether you want to study abroad. They have some few options for you. Then that's it. And I think that's all. But if you still want me to register for you, I'm available. This for university, and I'll make another video for those in senior high school as well. I hope you fully enjoyed this video. Please, I'll be very, very grateful if you would help me share this video to your friends, to any other person. Let's make this video impactful. Like I said, course is free. We should make very good use of it before it's off now. My name is Laja Bento once again, and I'm out.
El-Xenon Studios. This is where technology meets innovation. El-Xenon Studios. This is where technology meets creativity. El-Xenon Studios.